jingle all the way. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la. Hey guys, welcome back to my video. Thank you for being here, guys. I decided to do Vlogmas. Vlogmas means is that I'm supposed to be making videos, uploading videos every day until Christmas Day. I will really try and upload a video if it's every day. Okay, so let's get into this grocery haul video. Just in case you want to see my hat from behind, let's get into this bag. I bought two Fat Boys. Fat Boy coconut water. Okay, and this is a 500 ml. This sorrel here, this bag of sorrel, it is so real. That is what we say in Jamaica, so real. It's called hibiscus, this plant. And two of the Fat Boys. So this is another one, 2 bottles coconut water. And then I got me some mango carrot grease drink. I enjoy drinking. And then I also bought this bottle of sorrel drink to show you what people would buy if they choose not to, or if they didn't get any sorrel to make for Christmas. Then people would be buying these bottles. This grace, but it's good to make your own. And I also have here another mango carrot grace. So guys, before I bought the fresh sorrel, I had bought this pack of dry sorrel just in case I didn't get the fresh one. And after I purchased the dry one, I got the fresh. And guys, look, I wanted to share this with you guys. Look at this. West Indian Pride, authentic West Indian style burnt sugar. So people would use this to bake. Guys, this brown in here, okay? Instead of using this, people would use this. And I was told that the burnt sugar, the better one to use than the browning. But I grew up learning to use the browning. But now I learned that the burnt sugar is what some people use to put in their cake when baking. The smoked turkey. I love to prepare this. I have here chestnut, guys. Chestnut in these bags. This bag. I got at the store fruit rum cake. I never tasted it, so I'm looking forward to tasting this. Actually, I'll taste it in the video. At the end of the video, I'll taste it for you to see, okay? And that's the Buccaneer rum cake. When I went to the store, I said I have to give it a try. This is product of Jamaica. And it says that it contains 2% alcohol. And I also got the original rum. This is the coconut rum cake. Okay guys, for those of you, and comment down below, guys, if you like to know the prices on these things. Comment down below and I'll respond to your comment. There it is. I'm going to be soaking another batch where I just pulse the fruits, okay? I won't be making them as puree, because some people like to taste the fruit and some people don't like to taste the fruit in the cake. I got walnuts. This ice in glass thickens the sea moss. I picked this up for the next demonstration. I could use the ice in glass. Got some nutmeg that I'm going to be needing. Some linseed, Jamaican call linseed. Overseas they call it flaxseed. I'm not sure in your culture what is it that you call it, but it's the same flaxseed that Jamaican calls linseed. And cinnamon sticks. Around this time of the year, a lot of cinnamon has been used. And this is the reason why I went on the road, guys. I wanted a whole clove, okay, to make the sorrel. I have the clove powder, but I don't want to use a powder. I want to use a whole clove. And this is very important. Some people use, if you don't have the clove, they use the allspice pimento seed here. But I want to use whole clove. And then I also got me some more sultan raisin. And this video has to go up for this month also, okay? It's going to be a part of Vlogmas. That's a chocolate, make chocolate tea. And this is the meat tenderizer here I buy. This is fried rice seasoning. Lemon pepper seasoning. That's a Cool Runnings brand. This is crushed pepper chili. Yeah, crushed pepper. I suppose that one is very spicy. Those chili peppers are very spicy. And my cake slide out the box. Another of the Buccaneer fruit rum cake. And this is the buffalo chicken. Garlic pepper and herbs. This is the, what do you see there, guys? Everything bagel. So I'm going to be trying to make bread, and this is one of the flavor bread I want to make. Whether it's bagel or bread, then it's going to be everything. And this is, what do you see there? Chinese, prestige Chinese sauce. Looking forward to using. This is mixed essence, guys. This is the closest thing I could get to mixed spice, and I suppose this will do the job. Okay, this product is from Guyana. Flavor Mate is the brand. Yeah, and it says they're double strength. Excellent flavor for food, ice cream, cakes, pastries. Okay, and there it is, the mixed essence. I couldn't get the mixed spice, the powder, but yeah, this should do. I feel a little bit much better. I went for two things on the road. I went for the whole clove and the mixed spice, because I can't get mixed spice. But the mixed, I was happy when I saw the mixed essence. And you know, Maggie, I don't have to get into that all-purpose seasoning. I needed another bottle. And I have here, what's this? Ginger extract, Benjamin flavor. If I see these things, I pick them up because, you know, they're on the shelf and then all of a sudden they're gone. Christmas is coming like the next week or so. You can't get anything on the shelf. This is the Dunn's River pigeon peas that we call the gungo peas. Okay, I didn't even saw that it was in brine. I like things that are in salt water. I don't like things that are in brine, but I'll just wash off the water and use it just in case. I'm going to be trying to get the fresh gungo the same way I got the fresh bag of sorrel, right? I'm going to be trying to see if I can get the gungo, but just in case there's nothing, because with the pandemic, I'm not sure what's going on in the Caribbean and what's been imported from what, even though they ordered it, but they're waiting for the shipment. So I bought the one in the can just in case. Christmas time, I like to have gungo rice and peas. And this is the almond essence. Suppligen, guys. Suppligen. Food coloring. These, from what I see there should be like green, red, what's that, orange or yellow, and it looks like purple there. The real Jamaican ginger to go with the sorrel. Okra. Plant-based, vegan. What do we have here, guys? St. Mary green banana for vegans and plant-based, right? Vegan, vegetarian. Banana, St. Mary, product of Jamaica. So that's December grocery haul, and it's mostly, as you can see, it's mostly flavoring spices. You need your spices, and you don't want to be waiting for the last minute, then everything is done off the shelf. My call to action before the video comes to an end. You give the video a thumbs up, please. A thumbs up, okay? Turn on your post notification bell so that when a video has been uploaded, you will be notified, okay? And also share the video with your friends and subscribe if you have not subscribed, guys, to see more awesome content. Let me go over quickly. Ginger, Jamaican ginger, sorrel. It is so real, as Jamaica said. It's the hibiscus plant. Some people know it as the sorrel, guys. I'm gonna be making the sorrel juice, so you'll get to see the sorrel. I have to make it before it goes bad, guys. And you know, okra, you're familiar with okra. There's a whole bunch of herbs here that I showed you. Okay, a whole bunch of herbs and the Fat Boy coconut water and supplement and Chinese sauce, salt and raisin. And guys, the golden raisin. Did I show you the golden raisin? I bought a golden raisin. And the dried sorrel. Let me look again because I bought golden raisin, guys. I've got chestnut. Okay, when I prepare these videos, you'll see these things. And how can I forget? I have to find that golden raisin because I bought golden raisin. Maybe I'm missing some things here. Hold on. The golden raisin. The golden raisin was almost not got into this video. I know this because I mentioned the golden raisin to you, and this is the golden raisin. The golden raisin almost not been mentioned in this video. It was in another bag that I never noticed. It wasn't in the grocery all bag. And also the Jamaican Choice Classic Cream Crackers, baked to perfection. There it is. And it says they're cholesterol free and peanut. You know, you can make peanut porridge, put into your smoothie. And I learned that the one with the shell on it, is that the shell or the film, or what is it called, guys? Comment down below and let me know. The piece that you strip off before you get to the peanut itself, then that's good for you. So don't throw it away. Okay, let me taste my Fat Boy here drink and give you guys a toast. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. So refreshing. It's good. Oh my god, it feels good, guys. Going on down on the inside feels good. Oh yes, I said I was going to taste this for you guys. Yeah, I'll taste the rum cake only, and then the other two flavors, then don't miss the other videos when I taste those other two. So this is the rum cake, guys. Okay, and if you would like to know the price, comment down below into the comment section. I have never tried this before. They make it in the form of a Twinkie. You know those Twinkies? Oh yeah. It's good. The taste is good, guys. And people that bake this cake didn't do a bad job. Okay. The Fat Boy coconut water. So delicious and refreshing. This is alkaline water. Organic. Alkaline. Real. This is good, guys. Your coconut water should not have sugar added, but coconut water should be natural and real. I love coconut water because this water, the coconut water, is from the tree. And how amazing and how miraculous it is that we can pick a fruit from a tree. That fruit, when you open it, it's water, living water to drink. We have a lot to give God thanks for, guys. The little things in life, right? It's not the big things, it's a little simple things in life that we give thanks for. Or maybe I should say, we see this as little things in life, but they are big things. These are things we should be grateful for. There's a lot to be grateful for. So guys, thank you for joining me in this video. And look forward to a video being uploaded every day after you see this one, okay? There's a video being uploaded every day until December 25th. Hopefully I'll be able to keep up with uploading videos every day. But if there's not a video uploaded, I'll notify you guys on Instagram or Facebook. You have a great day.